Hi guys, we are live at Pratap Mahal, Ajmer. I am at the porch right now of the hotel. So this passage which you can see here is the driveway to go up to the main gate of the hotel. I will rather not take the ramp. I'll walk up the stairs which are right in the center to make it a little bit easy. This is an amazing property on Pushkar Bypass Road. So it's not exactly in Ajmer city. From Kishangarh Airport, this property is at a distance of about 40 minutes. Pushkar railway station and Ajmer railway station both are suitable for this location. This is a 90-room hotel managed by Indian Hotel Company Limited, that's Taj Group. This property has been operational since some time now, and initially it was being run as the Gateway brand. Recently they renamed it as Pratap Mahal IHCL Selections. Apart from this hotel, in IHCL Selections they have taken Cidade Goa now. And if you remember the Gateway Hotel which was there at Agra, that has also been renamed as Taj Gateview. They have a massive lobby here. I'll post some more pictures later on once it becomes a little bit more dark, as it will bring the entire scenario in a very vibrant fashion. This here is the bar of the hotel. This bar looks very eloquent. It's a very classy bar with onyx marble here, and being Taj, they serve all top brands. So right now I am here for a familiarization trip which has been organized by IHCL for wedding planners based out of Delhi. So I reached here this morning by driving from Delhi. We left at 6 in the morning from Paschim Vihar. It took us 7 hours to reach the hotel. It's a very comfortable drive. The setup which you can see here is a amazing high tea organized by the hotel management for all the planners they have called here. They are making us feel like kings actually, which we don't feel often during the events as we are busy making things comfortable for our guests. So I think sometimes we also deserve some sorry. And Rajasthan is not complete without the folk music here. हम लोग Facebook पे लाइव हैं, आपको अभी बजाते हुए लाइव लोग देख सकते हैं ऑनलाइन. So I believe they have some fountains over here. I'll just move it. They are playing amazing music. I know you must be feeling यहाँ से जा क्यों रहा है यार, but we have a big landscape to cover right now. So this path which I am walking right now leads us to the pool. I think this is an amazing place to host some rituals here as well. If you plan a wedding for your family at this property, we can share details. Any one of you who wishes us to help them out in managing a destination wedding at this property, we can give you multiple ideas. There are many things here. It's a beautiful landscape out there. And just like palaces of Maharajas, this property also has many different levels of gardens here. So as you can see, the pool area is massive. The pool, although is not too big here, but the whole area is massive and can be used for a very good evening function. And I think easily a good capacity of 300-350 people can be accommodated in this entire venue. So the area which I am showing you right now, behind that also they have a small garden, but that's on a little slant, so I think that wouldn't be suitable. I'll still show it to you, but I think the garden which I am walking towards right now wouldn't be much suitable. It's in a slant, can be used for some other things. Because if we come to use this garden, there will be some loss of beauty aspect in the front area. So yes, definitely everything can be considered. I'm seeing this gate for the first time. I believe that's a separate entry. If we have a Bharat procession, I think I'll check with the team if this area can be used for the entry of Bharat. They have a mandir here for Lord Ganesha. I won't be walking nearer to the mandir. I'm wearing shoes right now. It will be difficult to open them. I paid heed to him during the afternoon when I was walking around the property. I believe 15 people were there. Now 14 remaining. One person might have gone off for some reason. Hi to everyone again. To all those who have joined us right now. We are at Pratap Mahal, Pushkar Bypass Road, Ajmer. There are beautiful lotus ponds also at this property. So during winters the lotuses will come in full bloom. Right now we cannot find many flowers here. I think there's one back there that's also not in a very flourishing state right now, but the property has very nice, beautiful aspects here in terms of greenery and gardens. That's a shower area for the pool. Not many times do we find the outdoor shower area of the pool having a shower curtain as well. It's normally open, but that's a good thing. They have to make us feel like royalty, so these small minute details play a very big role. So as I was telling you earlier, they have different level of gardens in the property. And the place where I'm standing right now, I'll just turn the camera towards the left and you can see the whole passage from where we walked to reach this place. Please also give your comments and views if anything you like, dislike, want to understand. So I'll just zoom in a little bit. So that's the height area which I had showed you earlier, and we walked right up to this place. The whole beauty of this area of pool can be seen. It's a huge area. Very few hotels have this big pool area, with making it very suitable to host functions. Again, there are a couple of other hotels where we are already working. They also have good pool areas, but this is one of the finest which I've seen. So rather than walking on the right side, I'll just take my way towards this other garden which we have here. So I've entered from this side. This is the side from where I have entered. This again has a very easy approach to the pool one as well. This is a big garden attached with the pool area. So this passage which you can see right in front of me, we can easily access this lawn from the pool side. Now I've left one more place. I'll just turn back. This is another balcony which is there. It's again on a height. Multiple things can be done. There's no end to the permutations and combinations which we can do at this hotel using this particular venue. Thank you, Naveen ji. You have always been really helpful to all of us in the industry, and we especially have great regard for you as a family friend as well. So I didn't show you the gym, I'm sorry. I'll just take you back again. The hotel also has a basic gym apt for a 5-star. I mean, has all the required things here. So they have a cross trainer, cycle, 2 treadmills, 1 weight training, leg press. They have various dumbbells as well, a bench press is there. So I think more or less everything is there for a good clean workout during the wedding. Otherwise, who actually comes for a workout during weddings? They also have this fridge here to keep cold water as well as some water on room temperature, plus some towels, yoga mats, basically everything they have here. Right there is the spa. If anyone wants, I think I'll just show you in the spa area as well. Relaxation is also required during weddings. I'll just check if the room is vacant to show inside. खाली है अभी देख खोल सकता हूँ कमरा को? Yes. Thank you. Okay, so the spa room is vacant right now. I'll just show you inside the room as well. So this is the spa area here. So this property, many of you might be feeling that it's looking a little basic in terms of the spa area. So this has been made more like an old world charm haveli. So that those aspects are also very much evident here. There are 90 rooms, as I told you, spread across 3 levels on this wing. And the wing over there has 4 levels. So the property is separated by 2 sections. It's A wing and B wing. This side of the property is the A wing and this side of the property is B wing. We are currently placed in A wing in room number 2010. I'm giving out my room number. Anyone wants to call me and my mobile is not reachable, you can reach at Pratap Mahal, Ajmer and ask for 2010. So we came towards the outer area from side of bar and A wing. I'll just take you in now from the B wing side, because they have a grand staircase as well on that side. We are again reaching towards the reception now. This is the grand staircase I was talking about. Let's just walk in. I haven't explored this part of the property right now. Even I'll see this. So out here they have some rooms, and over here they have a small meeting venue. I hope no conference is going on right now inside. I've just walked in. They have a bar. I believe it's not functioning right now. This one, as the bar cabinet is completely vacant. A pool table is here. They also have a TT table, carom, air hockey. It's a big area. You know, this can be used for a chill out party of youngsters. I mean, if we do a wedding for 3 nights, so for the first night we can do a chill out party here for all the guests, or we can split it in 2 ways as well. Youngsters up here, elders in the restaurant with some live music. As I told you, many permutations, combinations can be done in this hotel. So they also have a grand ballroom. I'm again in the lobby. For those who joined us later, I can show them the lobby area. This is the lobby. There was a pre-wedding shoot going on today, so I believe that's the camera crew for that shoot itself. Here's the reception. I really love the marbles they have overall. This is an old chest as well, which is there in the hotel on both the sides. Again, there's one grand ballroom also, but the only hindrance is that it is connected from inside as well. But the thing is that the passage is not too big from that side. They have a separate entry for that, which is massive. I'll just walk down quickly and show you the gate which they have for the banquet. That's amazing actually. I'm stunned to see such a huge welcome door which they have put in here. That's been a ride to reach Pushkar. So this is the banquet block. I love this gate now. So I was talking to their team this afternoon, and they told me that the main gate they usually keep closed during functions because a lot of light goes in. There's cooling loss. So they have a couple of doors on the sidelines as well, which they open up for the guest movement. And it's up to the guest's wish. We can keep it open for some time. So this is the side entry gate. The lights are a little bit dim right now. So it's a huge banquet which they have, with a attached pre-function area. So this banquet is actually good to host around 300 packs very comfortably. And I think for a destination wedding at this property, we won't be having more than 300 guests. So as I was telling you that they have a connected entry with the lobby as well. This is the one I was talking about. So this is the elevator. Right now it has been shut down to save on electricity. There's a staircase as well attached. So for those who don't wish to come from the main gate and are staying in the hotel, obviously, they can use this side entry which leads us back to the lobby. So this was the gate from where I had entered to take you to the B wing. And now I'm back in the lobby. So this was it, guys. I'll do one thing. I'll post some pictures of the rooms as well. They have different categories here. So I hope you enjoyed the property. Get in touch with us if you wish to host a wedding here. And I believe there are some people who had joined us later on, and the bar which I had showed you was empty that time. So I'll show you the bar at the lobby level. I mean, what's the point of a destination wedding when you can't drink? Everyone wants that. Here's the bar. Very eloquent, discreet, niche, top class bar. It's lovely actually. So, to host your destination wedding for friends, family, get in touch with us. You have us on Facebook. You can visit our website www.octaveevents.com. You can write to me as well on octave@hkoverseas.com, or you can contact me directly on my cell. That's 9910114245. It's 9910114245. Thanks for being online, guys. It was lovely to showcase this property to all you. Goodbye. I should, I think, show my face also now. Yeah. Here I am. Hi. And that's, sorry, Jai Singh ji. Jai Singh ji, hi बोलिए. हम लाइव हैं फेसबुक पे. हाय, अच्छे से बोलो यार. हाय. हम फेसबुक पे लाइव हैं, आपको सब देख सकते हैं यहाँ. I'll also show you around some team members of the front desk who have been really helpful to us since the time we checked in at the hotel. Hi guys.
Yes.
Rajesh, say hi.
Hi.
We are live on Facebook, yeah. Hi.
Hello.
So Suman was the one who took me to show to see the banquet space in the first place. He's on the call right now. Hi sir.
Yes.
You must be the front office manager, I believe.
Duty manager.
We are live on Facebook.
Okay.
So say hi.
Hi.
Hansi ma'am is also seeing.
I'm unable to see anyone.
But we are live now, so they are seeing us. Raju ji here, he helped me with the luggage the moment I checked in at the hotel, and he has been very helpful since then.
Hi.
Okay guys, take care. Good evening, goodbye. Enjoy your midweek, Wednesday.